So hi, I'm Daniel from Sky Audio, and today we're going to be unboxing the Isotek Evo 3 Ascension cable. It's a new cable of theirs, it's their top of the range model. I have a sample piece here so you can actually see inside the cable. The unique design basically consists of a deep chronogenically treated silver plated Ono continuous cast copper conductor, so say that 5 times fast, wrapped in a dielectric of air. With partial FEP contacts before a further extruded FEP sleeve seals the construction. Each individual conductor assembly is wrapped in a mylar with a further OFC shield before being given a slight rotational twist with FEP tubes of air. So there's a lot of work that's gone into this cable. Let's see what it looks like. Keep this away from children. As you can see, it comes in a really nice box, well presented. Let's see what the cable looks like. It's like unwrapping a Christmas present. Oh, and here we go. As you can see, quite an impressive cable. It's beautifully done. We've opted for the Shuko to kettle cord. So very excited to give it a go. So the Ascension will drop noise floor. It'll open the soundstage with the holographic images, air and space, unparalleled with microdynamics. And as far as reviews go, they say it's astonishing. So let's wait and find out. Thanks.